Can septic tanks freeze in winter? Totally, and it can cause a real headache if you're not prepared. So, here's the deal. Septic tanks can freeze, especially if they're shallow or get hit by cold winds. First off, make sure your tank is buried deep enough beneath the frost line because the deeper it is, the less chance it has to freeze. Insulating your tank with foam boards or special septic tank covers can really help keep things cozy down there. Also, keep your septic system active by using water regularly. Stagnant systems freeze up way easier. Avoid parking heavy vehicles on top of the drain field since that can compact the soil and mess with natural insulation. If you live somewhere super cold, consider planting shrubs or grass over the drain field to block wind and add natural protection. And hey, don't pour antifreeze or chemicals into your system. That's bad news for your bacteria and environment. Last tip. During a freeze warning, let cold water trickle from a faucet overnight to keep pipes and the system from freezing solid. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is not burying their septic tanks deep enough, which makes freezing almost inevitable. Fix that by checking local frost line depths before installation. Another issue is ignoring insulation. Without it, even a deep tank can freeze if exposed to harsh winds. Adding foam insulation or a septic tank blanket usually does the trick. Lastly, people often stop using their system in winter, thinking it will save them trouble, but that just makes freezing worse. To keep water flowing moderately to prevent solid ice blockages. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for connecting homeowners with reliable local contractors who know exactly how to handle septic system issues. It also helps contractors find steady work by matching them with people who need their skills around the house.